Google's Android Auto hasn't changed since it first released, but in the next few weeks, a new look for the platform will be rolling out. Here's a closer look at the Android Auto redesign. One of the first things you'll notice with the new look for Android Auto is that it gives the platform a completely dark theme. There's no longer a light theme during the day, and other parts of the interface such as the music player have also been given a fresh coat of paint. You'll also notice that now when you plug in your smartphone, Android Auto defaults to opening your default mapping application and resuming your music playback as well. The biggest change, however, is the navigation system. The home button has moved over to the left of the interface to be closer to the driver, with buttons for notifications and Google Assistant off to the right. When you have music or maps going, there's also a contextual widget on the navigation bar to keep that information quickly available. Fast access is a key point of the new Android Auto, with the old home screen being replaced with an app drawer. From here, a single tap can bring you to your favorite apps at the top of the screen, with other apps and assistant actions listed below. Those assistant actions can read out weather or trigger a news routine, all without requiring a voice command. Simply tap and the assistant responds. Google will be rolling out this new version of Android Auto in the coming weeks. We've got more to say about the redesign as well as more details over on 9to5google.com with the links in the description below. You can also subscribe to our channel here on YouTube for the latest on Android Auto and all things Google. Thanks for watching.